It's Wednesday here on The Story, and tonight we're taking an in-depth look at those deadly fires burning in Los Angeles. There are 3 out-of-control fires killing at least 5 people, fueled by hurricane-force winds. And one such blaze already earning the grim title of the most devastating fire in the city's 175-year history. It's our big story tonight. The images out of Southern California are downright frightening. People there likening it to a war zone, calling it apocalyptic. We are now learning of a 4th wildfire burning out of control right now. In total, more than 23,000 acres have been scorched in just 24 hours. Well over 1,000 structures destroyed so far, many of them people's homes. A state of emergency remains in effect for Los Angeles City and County, with at least 70,000 people forced to evacuate. The state has deployed more than 1,400 firefighters, and Governor Gavin Newsom has deployed the National Guard. The LA Fire Department put out a plea for off-duty and out-of-state firefighters to help. A call that's been answered by first responders right here in Oregon. The state fire marshal sending 15 strike teams to the south, totaling 300 firefighters and 75 fire engines. The flames being fueled by an intense windstorm, with one gust overnight coming in at well over 90 miles per hour.
There's sirens up there too. Oh yeah. Oh, there's a lot of houses over there. Yeah, we were looking at it.
Sizable fire that is spreading rapidly. I'm going to try and get some more exact streets here. If you bear with me 1 second, Lucas. Pan over to the right. So that's Runyon Canyon Road to the right there. And if we pull out all the way so we can just put this into a frame of reference. It's just south of Mulholland Drive. And if we come all the way out, you can see due north of Bonita Avenue and Vista Street off of Hollywood Boulevard. So we're talking about 1.5 miles north of Hollywood Boulevard that is now on fire. It appears to be all brush at this point. Do not see the closest structure just yet. However, I think there's a house or a group of homes on the north side, on the other side of this fire towards Mulholland. We can't see it through the smoke right now, but this appears to be majority brush that is fueling this right now.
Chris, I've hiked Runyon Canyon so many times. I know Mark surely has as well. And you mentioned the streets, Bonita and Vista. Those are all the streets that, I take to get to Runyon Canyon. I'm concerned there's a lot of homes there, a lot of apartments, and our fire resources are already stretched so thin.